If you are looking for streamlining your operations and tools to help you do exactly that, then you might just be in the right spot. With so many tools available today, how do you know which one is the right one for you? Today we're going to have a look at Airflow, we're going to have a look at Dagster, and we're going to have a look at Prefect. We want to know which is the right option for you specifically. So without further ado, let's check them out. Let's have a look at Apache Airflow now. So it is a Python-based workflow. Author workflows as code using Python language. It enables easy versioning and collaboration. You can set complex dependencies between tasks. You can also schedule with cron or even custom triggers. You can connect to hundreds of systems with the built-in operations and connectors. And you can track workflow statuses in real time, which allows you to receive alerts when any issue arises. It has ETL pipelines. It automates data extraction, transformation, and loading for data warehouses and lakes. It offers machine learning workflows. You can schedule model training cycles, evaluations, and even deployments to production. It handles system backups, resource scaling, and even infrastructure monitoring tasks. It orchestrates CRM updates, notifications, and even cross-system data synchronization. Let's have a look at Dagster now. So Dagster focuses on stable production workflows with extensive error handling. It has a built-in testing tool ensuring pipeline components work as they are expected. It monitors and tracks data assets throughout their lifecycle, and it uses solids and pipeline concepts for reusable data processing. It enforces data contracts between pipeline components. It tracks and documents all data assets, and you can actually visualize data dependencies and origins. You can build locally, or you can deploy seamlessly to production. Having a look at their real-world scenarios, it does offer data asset production. So it creates document data sets with clear lineage tracking. It implements type checks and validations at each processing step. It is a powerful financial reporting tool as well as healthcare data analysis workflow generator, and it handles time-based data processing with more sophisticated partitioning. Let's have a look at Prefect now. If you're looking for modern workflow automation, this is a great tool. It's perfect to automate data flows with minimal friction. It focuses more on the developer experience. The platform also emphasizes simplicity while maintaining its powerful capabilities. It also excels at hybrid execution models. It's a Python native workflow. It has low friction setup processes. It has high performance execution engines, and it's a flexible deployment option. The other thing is that flows and tasks defined as native Python code. It's also familiar with patterns for the developer. It's automatic retries, timeouts, and catching. This handles edge cases quite gracefully. You can run it locally in a cloud or on-prem. This means you have a centralized monitoring regardless of the execution location. It also generates pipeline paths based on input data, which adapts flows at runtime. It has data ingestion and transformation. It has machine learning operation capabilities, business reporting coordination, and also cross-platform integrations. So if you're looking for an all-in-one tool that can do a whole bunch and let you spend your time and your energy on more important tasks, then this is definitely perfect. Now, folks, the takeaway here is to really go out and use the software to see if it actually works for you. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.